When most people think about starting a business podcast, they imagine chasing millions of anonymous downloads. They picture building a soundproofed studio, buying top-tier broadcast gear, and broadcasting to the masses. Treating a podcast like a mass advertising billboard is exactly why so many businesses abandon the medium. They spend thousands of dollars trying to interrupt a cold audience, see zero return on investment, and quietly pull the plug. Audio works differently than a billboard. You are speaking directly into someone's ears for 30 or 40 minutes at a time. The real psychological strength of the medium is long-form intimacy, where listeners learn your specific tone, judgment, and expertise. This brings us to a strategy called warm marketing. Instead of trying to reach a million strangers, the goal shifts. You focus entirely on a few hundred people who already know you, or are directly connected to people who know you. A successful business podcast functions as a trust engine. It provides a systematic way to retain existing relationships and reduces the constant pressure to chase cold leads through traditional interruption. This diagram shows the warmth spectrum by inverting the traditional sales funnel. The widest tier at the top is reserved for current clients. By speaking to this layer, the podcast becomes a retention tool, answering recurring questions and keeping your business top of mind. Consider how a local service business applies this. A local real estate agency, for instance, doesn't need to chase national celebrity guests to build a listener base. Instead, the host interviews a complementary professional in their own community, like a local mortgage broker, a home inspector, or a neighborhood business owner. Once the episode is published, a specific distribution loop begins. The real estate agent sends the interview directly to their past clients, and the guest shares the exact same episode with their own local network. Through this localized, cross-pollinated sharing, you bypass cold outreach entirely. You turn passive audio into active, warm introductions within your specific community. Executing this inverted funnel strategy does not require a complex, expensive recording studio. The actual operational requirements are entirely manageable. You need a lightweight mobile recording setup, basic distribution software, and a strict commitment to publishing on a consistent schedule. Without any heavy editing or studio polish, the host's credibility, tone, and judgment have to carry the weight of the medium. The value comes from the specific insights you share over time. Technical simplicity is a necessity. By stripping away the logistical headaches of high-end production, you free yourself to focus entirely on human connection and conversation. For this new streamlined setup to work, the path a listener takes to discover your show must be completely frictionless, and that starts with the underlying platform architecture. You must optimize your metadata. Listeners search for recognizable problems, so episode titles need to clearly state a solution instead of using internal business jargon. When you launch on platforms like Apple Podcasts, you have to establish a clear episodic or serial flow and create a tight 2-minute audio trailer designed specifically to hook first-time listeners. This chart shows podcast discovery is increasingly visual. Over half of the U.S. population has now consumed a video podcast. To capitalize on this behavior, you repurpose long-form audio into highly visual clips tailored for discovery surfaces like YouTube and Spotify. These short-form visual clips act as targeted bait. They catch the attention of colder, external audiences and safely guide them back into the warm, long-form ecosystem of your main show. Paid advertising triggers immediate clicks, but those interactions often end as soon as the budget runs out. Podcasting requires a longer timeline to scale, but it builds a layer of loyalty that remains stable over years of consistent publishing. Audio also functions differently than a written email newsletter. You cannot easily skim a podcast. This forces prolonged exposure to your voice and your viewpoint, which builds an unmatched level of parasocial trust. This specific method turns the podcast into a repeatable business development asset. It replaces the uncertainty of a media experiment with a structured system for strengthening professional reputation. The warm marketing approach takes your one-on-one, localized conversations and turns them into durable assets that work around the clock to nurture your client relationships. To master the complete step-by-step technical and strategic system, take the course Podcasting: Warm Marketing Strategies on The Great Discovery.